Putting a floor rug together in your home is quick and effortless. From area rugs to runners to wall-to-wall floor coverings, the secret to our good looks is our modular design. Each rug is made up of individual carpet tiles with a non-slip backing, and holding it all together are our patented floor dots. When your floor order arrives, open the blue box first. Inside, you'll find everything you need to assemble your rug. Begin by laying out your floor tiles and arranging as needed to create a look you love. On the back of each tile, we show the recommended installation direction for your style, but the final creative decision is always yours. Once you're satisfied with your design, secure the tiles together with floor dots. These one-sided adhesives stick to your tile and not the floor. Place the floor dot on the bottom of each carpet tile, sticky side up. The carpet tile will adhere to its tile neighbor for sturdy, secure positioning that holds your design in place. Press firmly to reinforce the floor dots on the bottom of each tile. Continue until your design is complete. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Because if you can dream it, we can help you create it.